When setting up your YouView box in 2025, you have two main options for connecting to the internet. Understanding the differences between Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections will help you choose the best method for your specific needs. Your first option is Wi-Fi, which provides a wireless connection to your router. Your second option is Ethernet, which uses a physical cable connection. Each method has distinct advantages depending on your setup and requirements. Ethernet connections offer superior performance for YouView boxes. They provide more stable and reliable connections with higher bandwidth capacity and lower latency. This makes Ethernet the preferred choice for 4K streaming and households with heavy internet usage. Wi-Fi connections offer convenience and flexibility. They eliminate the need for running cables through your home and allow you to place your YouView box anywhere within range of your router. Modern YouView boxes support Wi-Fi 6 for improved performance. Here's a direct comparison between Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections. Ethernet excels in speed and reliability, while Wi-Fi offers convenience and ease of installation. The choice depends on your specific needs and home setup. Choose Ethernet if you regularly stream 4K content, have multiple devices streaming simultaneously, or can easily run a cable to your YouView box. Choose Wi-Fi if you want flexible placement options, find running cables difficult, or mainly watch HD content. Remember the minimum speed requirements: 2 megabits per second for standard definition, 5 for HD, and 25 for 4K streaming. For optimal performance, especially with 4K content and multiple streaming devices, Ethernet is generally the recommended choice. However, Wi-Fi remains a perfectly viable option for most users, particularly with modern Wi-Fi 6 routers and good signal strength. Let's start with the physical connection for Ethernet setup. First, you'll need to locate the Ethernet port on the back of your YouView box. Next, connect a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable from your router to the YouView box. Make sure the connection is secure on both ends. Now navigate to the network settings on your YouView box. Go to Settings, then Network, then select Wired Connection. Select Automatic for DHCP configuration. This allows your router to automatically assign an IP address to your YouView box, making the setup process much simpler. For Wi-Fi setup, navigate to Settings, Network, then Wireless Connection. Your YouView box will scan for available networks in your area. For security, ensure your router uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. This protects your network from unauthorized access and keeps your data secure. After connecting, test your internet speed to ensure it meets the minimum requirements. You need 2 Mbps for standard definition, 5 Mbps for HD, and 25 Mbps for 4K content. If you encounter connection issues, check that ports 80 and 443 are open on your router's firewall. These ports are essential for YouView's internet services to function properly.